Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, I want to catch up. Okay, on Eno 64's R34. They have quite a few variants already, and yeah, I haven't managed to run it through you guys the past couple of months. So I haven't even shown you guys this one, right? Which is the Malaysia exclusive release, the Malaysia Diecast Expo 2023 event edition, the full carbon version. Okay, so I think it's time. I think it's time. So this is one of them that I want to show you guys, and one of the main reason why I want to do this video is actually because of this guy. Now this guy just appeared, and yeah, right. Do you know what's this? I don't think you've seen this on Eno's pre-order sheet, right? However, why am I showing it together with the rest of the Enos? Okay, just show you the packaging. Okay, it's under PopRace. Okay, PopRace packaging, PopRace logo all over the place, Golf logo as well. All right. Okay, so yeah, packaging seems very familiar as well, right? Very familiar as well, right? Okay, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. Okay, but you would have guessed it. You would have guessed where I'm going with that. Okay, we'll get back to that a little later. In the meantime, help me to hit the like button, okay, because they'll help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Cool. Okay, so let's get this one out of the box. I've actually not removed mine from the casing before. Okay, so this together with you guys would be the first time me looking at this particular version. Okay, in a special Eno box, Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Z-Tune full carbon. Now, as far as I understand, using the name Z-Tune, this would be the first. Okay, this would be the first. Using the name Z-Tune, Eno using the name Z-Tune, this would be the first. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, just to clarify, the official product name. Okay, Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Z-Tune full carbon Malaysia Diecast Expo event edition. Okay, licensed by Nissan as well. Cool. All right, so very nice box. I'm gonna put it aside. Full carbon fiber effect on the sleeve as well. Simple background at the back. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so the plastic wrapper is on the outer packaging, so the inner packaging doesn't have that. Okay, very classic Eno packaging. Okay, gonna put that guy at the back there, I guess, and here we go, full carbon fiber. So this guy would be a continuation of the Malaysia exclusive models. So far it would be the R32 that was also done in full carbon. I think that was year 2019. Okay, so what, that was before the pandemic. What, 3 years later? No, 4 years later. Now we get an R34. Oh, look at that. Actually, this finishing is very nice. It doesn't look like it's hand sticked on sticker wrap. It does look like it's properly done. Let's get it out of the packaging. Okay, in the meantime, help me to hit the like button because that'll help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, help me to share as well, help me grow this channel so that I can bring more awesome diecast videos for you guys. Okay, let me just put this aside. Yeah, one thing I noticed is I think I don't have the R32 with me. Okay, but this one does look more glossy, and oh, look at the fingerprint. Immediately leave a fingerprint on it. Okay, all right, so this one definitely looks more shiny compared to the R32. I need to dig the R32 out to do a comparison. Okay, however, yeah, it does look really very nice. Look at that. Look at how the carbon fiber effect is even on the side mirror. This is actually done very, I will use the word beautifully. Okay, let's see underneath. Yeah, so it doesn't go underneath, right? The carbon fiber doesn't go underneath. So this thing is actually done very, very nicely. The carbon fiber effect. I remember, anyone else here remembers the carbon fiber from Tarmac ones? many years ago. Man, those are awful. Many years back. Okay, so it's quite nice to see how well technology has advanced. This doesn't look like it's wrapped by hand. Does look pretty decent. Okay, all right. So yeah, finally they used the Z-Tune name on it. Okay, so probably this body does look very familiar to you, right? Because they have already released the Omori. Sorry, this is not Omori. This one would be, yeah, the Omori factory Clubman race spec. Okay, so this one is a Clubman race spec, and then next to it, this guy would be the M-Spec NER. Okay, tuned by NISMO Omori factory. Now both of this is actually based on a real car. I would say both is actually based on a real car. So a little bit backstory, right? Clubman Racing race spec. Sorry. So this will be the Omori factory version. This guy. Okay. So what's the Clubman race spec, right? This is actually NISMO's effort, okay, to resto mod already R34s that has existing owners who they want to restore their R34, and yeah, so the Omori factory NISMO do have that up in offer. I don't recall how much is it gonna cost, because the basically there's a whole list of stuff where they will actually tear apart take apart every bits and pieces from the existing R34 that they the donor car, okay, so-called the donor car that is sent to the Omori factory. They'll take everything out, and then they will see what needs to be replaced, what does not need to replace, if there's any additional parts that the owner wants. So the price is kind of it's on a la carte kind of menu kind of thing, okay, rather than just a package. So I don't know what is I don't know what is the base price as well, right? Sorry, if you do know, please do let me know in the comment section below. Cool. So that's what Clubman race spec is all about. So this guy, I believe, is based on a real car, but I don't know where is it based. Okay, but this is actually very similar to the one that initial model has made in Diecast and also in resin. So I do have both of that, including this tree. Let me know if you want me to do a comparison video. Okay, all right, so just getting up to speed. Okay, so this would be the Omori factory version, the Clubman race spec. Okay, now this guy gets a little bit confusing. So this is the M-Spec Nürburgring version, okay, which is owned by V-Spec Performance in Australia. Okay, so it's not V-Spec, it's a M-Spec Nürburgring edition. Okay, now if I do a little bit more close up, right, I think I have to, you look at, can you see what's there? Yes, Eno has done it. It is actually very, very nice. M-Spec NER, very nice. The GTR badge, the Nissan badge, and there's a R1 logo here as well. That's the code for the engine. Okay, the RB26 type R1. Okay, look at that, very nice NISMO logo up here as well. The carbon fiber, it's quite nice that they've done the carbon fiber properly. It's still a single piece. Now on the real car, right, it's actually a two-tier spoiler. Eno has done it as a single tier, a single piece. Well, not single tier, a single piece. We've seen what's the other brand? Stance Hunter has done two-tier. I can't recall right now if Time Micro did a two-tier. I have it parked on display actually, but all the way on the other side of the shop. So I'm not gonna run over there. Right, but at least they have done the carbon fiber properly on the upper tier. Okay, so this is again based on a real car that is in Australia. Okay, nice. Check out the owner's branding actually, V-Spec. Okay, so I got quite confused at first. This is a V-Spec or what is it? So yeah, it's actually V-Spec Performance. That's the name of the owner's company. Okay, vspecperformance.com. Right. Okay, nice. So this two came out as Clubman race spec. okay, and then the Malaysia exclusive, which uses the Z-Tune name, and surprise would be I have another piece here, and I'm gonna take it out for you guys. I just want to show why I left it in the packaging, right? Because I just want to show you, basically the outer packaging is exactly the same, okay. However, I'm removing it. However, I'm trying to build a little bit of suspense. The content is not the same. Okay, however, the content is not the same. So, okay. Outer box the same, but yeah, look at that. This is green. So this has that green carbon fiber effect. Why? Because this would be the chase version. Alright, this would be the chase version. So I don't know exactly how rare are these. I don't know what is the production number, but what I hear is there's either one or at least one. There's actually at least one in every 12. That is what I understand. Okay, all right. So it's in green. It's in green, green sleeve, green car, green carbon fiber. Okay. Okay. So this guy, yeah, I'm not gonna remove it from the base. Just keep it on the base. Okay, with the green effect on the base as well. Nice. Z-Tune full carbon fiber. Quite mesmerizing in this green actually. Man, really, I really like how the lights reflect on the car. It's not just a flat green. Okay, nice. I'm gonna pop it back. Well, should I? No, I'll leave it out for a while. Okay, I'll leave it up while the video is running. Right, okay, so that's the Z-Tune that I wanted to show you guys. And then let me get to the other two, okay, that I haven't shown you yet. These two guys over here, this is their packaging. The full green would be Super Tycoon 1999 Class 1 overall winner, and Super Tycoon 2001 Class winner. Okay, so these two, I do believe there's a team name, yeah, Prince CHIBA FALKEN. Okay, that's full green. Team FALKEN. And this one is also, yeah, it has a FALKEN. It's a 5-Zigen FALKEN. Now, these two would be the first time they have released a variant to the full FALKEN R34, the very first R34 that Eno made. Okay, so these two would be the repeat, a variant of that particular circuit casting. Okay, because it was a little bit strange to me, because they only had the FALKEN out, the circuit R34. There was only one variant, and then they keep pumping up so many different variants of the R-Tune, the M-Spec, and yeah, the white one is the M-Spec, right? No, V-Spec, sorry. This will be the V-Spec. Okay, they've done the V-Spec as well, and they did not release any other circuit going R34s. Okay, so until recently. So we have this 5-Zigen FALKEN. Alright, with all the canard details, very nice. The FALKEN logo down there. So 3 circuit cars, and all of them related to FALKEN. Okay, alright. So a little bit different here and there. Ooh, nice. I do quite like this detail at the back here as well. It does look like it's a button, right? But I'm wondering, that could be a refueling rig. That could be. Okay, now this one will be the Prince CHIBA FALKEN. Okay, in full green. So both also winners in its class. All right. Okay, so that's a 2 circuit version, and last but not least, wham! So this just released recently. I'll show you the packaging. Everything looks like it's PopRace. Okay, however, what happened if check this out, check this out. Ooh, what's that? Yeah, So probably this is a collab with Eno, through Eno's factory. Probably, okay, probably that's what happened. Yeah, probably PopRace bought this as an OEM from Eno, because we don't see any Eno branding on the packaging. Yeah, no Eno packaging, no Eno branding on the packaging, and it only exists on the base of the car. I guess it's just to show that they own the mold to this casting. Okay, so this will be, I assume it's the C-West body kit, since we do see it again on the Falcon. I remember the C-West branding, and it appears here as well. Did it appear on the Prince CHIBA variant? See, there's quite a lot of brands, but I don't see C-West on this one. No, I don't see the C-West logo, but it does look quite good, right? Ooh, there's Mine's logo as well. Damn. Yeah, so it does look like look more like a presentation car for golf rather than a racing car like the rest of them. Okay, still pretty cool, pretty cool. I do quite like the white rims, being able to roll. Yep, but it's not as smooth as Hot Wheels. Okay, but still being able to roll, it's not bad. Disc brakes on the inside, antenna on top here, that's nice. Okay, cool. What else? I think that's about it. That's about it. Okay, I do have a couple of extras of the PopRace, and I don't have any of the Malaysia event edition. I believe there's still a couple of the M-Spec NER available through Collector's Cube. Okay, do look them up. They do ship international. CoQ.com, they're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram as well. They handle all my ready stock items. Okay, so look them up. Cool. All right, so that's it for this time around. I hope you guys like this video. Happy to share with your friends. Cool. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.